can be saved. So kidneys are small bean-shaped things, actually large bean-shaped things, and they have got two surfaces, two curves. One is outer convex and inner concave. This is also called hilum. In the hilum, we have got renal artery going in, renal vein coming out, and another big thing coming out. What is that thing?
Oh, that's
the intestine, right?
that's an artery.
What is that?
That's a vein.
Ureter. He is right. Ureter. All right.
Ureter.
Ureter. So don't forget. All right. Don't forget.
Ureter. No? Ureter.
So you understand that the kidneys are well protected. You have seen the protection over there, but you can see some of the things over here too. This is called the capsule. All right. So right now I am making one small superficial incision to cut the capsule only. All right. Cut the capsule only. All right. To cut the capsule only, to show you the capsule. All right. The capsule is mainly made of connective tissue, and it is covering the kidneys from all around. All right. All right. So you can see now I'm peeling off the capsule. All right.
Just like an egg.
Just like an egg, yeah. So you see, now this is actual kidney. All right. So now all you need to do, you will make one deep incision this time. All right. Deep incision this time. Be careful. Don't incise your hands. All right. So we now will see the inner part of the kidneys. It's really difficult with this blade, but you can actually go deep inside by making 2 or 3 repeated incisions.
Basically, Mariam.
No, it's not because it's sitting. It's because it's going like this.
So this is not all. You can actually buy some fresh ox kidneys from grocery stores, right? You can actually dissect those things in your kitchen and see the similar things. Okay. Now,
Wow, not this again.
okay. Sorry. So now you see the layers of kidneys. The outer one, we call it cortex.
Cortex.
Inner, we call them medullas because there are many, like 6 to 9 of them. All right? These are medullas. And right here, you can actually see the apex of one medulla. All right? I'm separating it so that you can see it separately.
Oh, wow.
All right? So medulla. This medulla is opening at one place. This is not exactly like the human kidneys. Human kidneys are a little bigger. So normally, we should see that these apexes are opening up at some place called minor calyx. Those minor calyces will join together to form a bigger one, and that one is called major calyx.
Which one?
We're gonna open that thing up, little up. So there are openings of pyramids too inside, all right? Inside, and you can see only one opening, 2 opening from outside. So in
Which
that way,
Which one's the major one?
major one is right here.
And the minor?
Minors are at the tip of the pyramids, right here. So in your book or in those models, things are much more clear, but it's just one dissection, so you don't see those things clearly. But the minor one should be the initial one, and major one, 2 or 3 initial ones are now confluent together to make the major one. The major one will eventually form the renal pelvis and will go down through this one.
That's the ureter, right?
Yes.
Yuri.
Ureter, and it will reach the bladder.
Urinary bladder.
And the next thing?
Is the urethra. Or there's two sphincters.
No, urethra, yes, urethra. All right. So these are the things you need to see by yourselves. So try to figure out the cortex, try to figure out the medullas, minor calyx, major calyx, and try to go through the pelvis, all right? It's delicate, so try to go through the pelvis. You will be able to do that thing, all right? So you have got 5 more kidneys, and do it by yourself, all right? DYU. What do you